Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda Africa Twin DCT automatic transmission. This bike is in beautiful condition, only 981 miles. Come by, make your adventure touring dreams come true with this awesome 2020 Africa Twin. This is the new 1100cc engine, only 981 miles, 6-speed automatic transmission, ABS brakes, riding modes. It's got it all. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Come by, check it out at $14.99. Make your adventure touring dreams come true. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Automatic transmission. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.